Alright, what up, y'all? How y'all doing? So look, gonna head to this meet. Started at 9 o'clock. It is 9:08. I'm late, like always, but whatever. It is what it is. I don't got no fit on. Ignore the mess. But yeah, finna slide out there, meet some peoples, see how it go. Let me get y'all a quick real quick, cause I ain't gonna lie, we got them bitches outside today. Turn future up real quick. Oh my god. Got the 5th gen. Got the BMW. 3.7, 5.0. Oh my god, boy. Hey, that bit fire, boy. I ain't gonna lie to you. I fuck with it. 1320. Yeah, yeah, I'll run it if you want to. Just cuz.
I don't do a road though. I can't do it.
Oh, for real?
I don't do the road.
We'll see. Maybe not tonight, but shit, we'll see. Boy, cutting up in the motherfucker. I respect it.
Get that bitch to toe shit.
I respect it. Sliding out this bitch. Here we are. Mexico. Yeah, I'll fuck at the path for a little bit. And then I'm going to the crib. Ooh, don't hit me, bitch. So as y'all can see, God damn, they got the whoops out here. Oh, fuck. Damn. Let's see what they talking about. I know y'all felt that shit. Ooh, that bitch.
Yeah, that shit hot, boy.
Big, I'm finna get the fuck.